Okay, so I decided to get this in today because originally the story goes I got this HD 6790 Radeon graphic card so that I can plug this into through a mini display port back to a mini display port in imac. Unfortunately, I found out a little too late that target display does not work on 2011 model unless your source and destination is both Thunderbolt. So it's not gonna work. Basically, I got this PC, been laying around for a few years. I think one of the power supply died, so I got the power supply for about 50 some bucks. I got the graphic card, which was about 120 bucks. I got the PCI wireless end card for about 30 bucks. So all in all, about a little over $200. Try to revive the computer. It's running not too bad. Only bad thing is I cannot use the iMac screen, but I have this 23-inch share, which is not too bad. Speed test. Well, has not much to do with the computer, but if I run this test, fairly almost like a wired connection, and connection with the PCI card. Stuff like 1080 plays pretty well. Can't wait for that movie, huh? So, and let's see, what else did I get? Experience. Not that this really matters, but 5.5. And the graphics are pretty up there. So, I mean, I made this for my wife so she can play some games, Windows game and whatnot. So yeah, that's it. That's the gist of it. I guess I just gotta put it together in the case. Alright, thanks guys.